ट्रेपेजियम हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था, आज करना है पैरेललोग्राम। एंड you know very well, first the definition of trapezium. Whenever only one pair of opposite sides is parallel, it is known as trapezium. Okay, please listen the definition of trapezium, and then after we will do a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Okay, again I am drawing the figure of trapezium. It is trapezium in which the AB is parallel to CD, but AD is not parallel to BC. You can see AB and CD, these two sides are parallel, but AD and BC are not parallel. Okay, so what is the definition of trapezium? In a trapezium, only one pair of opposite side, only one pair of opposite sides are equal. Sorry, not equal, it is parallel. Okay, so it is the definition. Now, some properties of the trapezium. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, and angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What
180.
is the reason?
360 degree.
What is the reason? The adjacent angle of parallel line. Are you understood what is the trapezium? AB is parallel to CD, but AD is not parallel to BC, and only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, and angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because of adjacent angle of parallel line is supplementary. And what is the meaning of supplementary? The sum of the angle is 180 degree. Are you get it, girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to start with today's topic, parallelogram. Okay, now what is the meaning of parallelogram first? In which a quadrilateral, in a quadrilateral, if AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, then it is known as parallelogram. Both the pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. What is the meaning? AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Please remember this thing for the parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides AB and CD are equal and parallel. This is the sign of parallel and this is the sign of equal. And same thing for the AD and BC, these two opposite sides. AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. One another thing of the parallelogram, in a parallelogram, angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. What is the reason? Opposite angle,
Yes.
opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And same thing as trapezium, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. and angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because of an adjacent angle. Are you understood?
Yes.
There is the properties of parallelogram. One property is left. I will explain you right now. First property of the parallelogram is the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. It means AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC, and same thing for the equal, AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. The opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So angle A and angle C, these two angles are opposite, angle A and angle C. You can see my cursor. And same thing for the angle B and angle D. These two angles are also equal. Okay? Girls. Okay?
Yes.
I hope you all are clearly understood the properties of trapezium and parallelogram. My dear girls, hello girls,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
please give me answer. Zainab, Shekhani Maim, Salomi, Najma, Masira, Mas, Onen Sakina, Iram, Alvina, Ali Khetani, Abdullah, and Delisha. Where are you all of you? Please give me answer.
Sir, thanks.
Okay, now the last property of a parallelogram. Please see here. The diagonal of a parallelogram AC and BD bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisect? Bisect means we divide in an equal part. So if you want to join these diagonal AC and BD, and this is the midpoint O, so here AO and OC is equal. AO and OC is equal because of diagonal bisect. And same thing for the BO and DO. There is also equal because of parallelogram. Okay? Chalo, write down the properties of trapezium and parallelogram first. And then after we will start rhombus and
Sir, we have to
yes,
write this in a fair book or rough book.
you have to write down in a rough book and as well as fair book. Because of these properties is useful. Okay? So please write down this all the properties in fair book and rough book. Write down fast.
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta. Written, girls.
No, sir. Wait a moment.
Sir, done.
Okay. Written, all of you. Written, all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chal.
Yes, sir.
Now we are doing the properties of rhombus. Okay. A, B, C, and D. It is rhombus. Why? What is the properties of rhombus? First of all, the properties of rhombus is all the sides are equal. And the first property is AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. It means opposite sides are parallel. And instead of opposite sides are equal, in rhombus, all the sides are equal. AB is equal to BC, is equal to CD, is equal to AD. All the sides are equal. And then opposite angles are equal because of opposite angle, and the sum of adjacent angle, angle A plus angle D is 180 degree, and angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is adjacent angle. Okay, and one another thing, the diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at perpendicular. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of perpendicular? हाँ बताओ, परपेंडिकुलर का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, line bisect each other.
No, beta. Perpendicular means whenever you join the diagonal of a rhombus, it is bisect each other at perpendicular means it make 90-degree angle at the intersecting point. इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट पर अगर 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं परपेंडिकुलर. आर यू गेट इट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the properties of rhombus. Draw a rhombus and write down. Written, girls?
नहीं सर वेट.
Sir, done.
Okay. Okay, this is rhombus. Now we have to study about a kite. Okay? What is kite? What is kite? Tell me. 14 January every year we celebrate it as kite festival. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो नहीं बताया आपको क्या काइट क्या होती हो?
सर पता है.
Okay, now we are drawing a kite. In a kite, there are okay. Now in a kite, adjacent sides are equal. And what is adjacent side? It means AB is equal to AD is adjacent side, and another adjacent side BC is equal to BD. What is the property of kite? Adjacent side are equal. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is kite? Kite in which the adjacent sides are equal, then it is known as kite. And for the kite ABCD, AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to BD. Are you get it? Okay?
Yes, sir.
चलो, तो यही एक ही प्रॉपर्टी है काइट की, और कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है. ठीक है, चलो जल्दी से लिख लो.
सर लिख डाला.
सॉरी, हाँ लिख लो, भूल गया था.
सर लिख लिया.
ओके, चलो अब लास्ट में 2 बाकी है हमारे पास. क्या क्या बाकी है वो देख लेते हैं. अब बाकी है हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल. क्या क्या बाकी है हमारे पास?
रेक्टेंगल.
हाँ, रेक्टेंगल तो हमको पता ही है, बहुत बार देखा है ना? ABCD. चलो अब जल्दी से रेक्टेंगल की प्रॉपर्टी देख लेते हैं. क्या है रेक्टेंगल की प्रॉपर्टी? सबसे पहली रेक्टेंगल की प्रॉपर्टी है AB इज पैरेलल टू CD, BC इज पैरेलल टू AD and AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Now you can check. देखो AB और CD दोनों पैरेलल है, BC और AD ये भी दोनों पैरेलल है, और साथ में वो चारों साइड इक्वल भी है. देख लो, AB और CD इक्वल, BC और AD इक्वल. ओके, यस और नो?
Yes.
Okay. Now another thing. What we have to do now? The another properties of rectangle is all the angles are equal with measurement 90 degree. Yes or no? All the angles are equal measurement with 90 degree.
Yes.
Are you getting it? Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now another thing. The diagonal AC and diagonal BD bisect each other. Yes or no? देख लो अगर डायगोनल ड्रॉ किया जाए डायगोनल ए सॉरी बीडी और एसी तो दोनों बाइसेक्ट करता है तो लिख दिया हमने एसी एंड बीडी बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर बट यहां पे एक प्रॉपर्टी और ऐड हो जाएगी और उस प्रॉपर्टी का नाम है डायगोनल प्रॉपर्टी द लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल आर इक्वल एसी एंड बीडी दोनों डायगोनल उसकी लेंथ क्या है उसकी लेंथ क्या है इक्वल है कि नहीं है
Yes.
ओके चलो जल्दी से लिख लो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेक्टेंगल ओके अब क्या करते हैं हम स्क्वायर की प्रॉपर्टी देख लेते हैं इसके बाद में 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते हैं ठीक है और रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप भी कर देते हैं फिर नए रिकॉर्डिंग में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.3 स्टार्ट करते हैं ठीक है तो ये पूरा लेक्चर जो है ना वो आपकी प्रॉपर्टीज का किस किस की प्रॉपर्टीज हमने देख ली सबसे पहले देखी ट्रेपेजियम फिर पैरेललोग्राम फिर रोम्बस फिर पार्ट रेक्टेंगल भी हो गया अब किसकी देखेंगे हम स्क्वायर
Square.
चलो जल्दी से लिख लो और इसके बाद में स्क्वायर की देख के हम ब्रेक ले लेते हैं तो क्या होगा कि लेक्चर बड़ा भी नहीं होगा और 2 लेक्चर हमारे ठीक है
Sir, done.
written all figures written all of you
Yes, sir.
very good now the last topic for this lecture and then after we will do exercise 3.3 square square is nothing but it is the addition part of a addition part of rectangle now a b c d in which first thing all the sides are equal in a square ab is equal to bc is equal to cd is equal to ad all the sides are equal then all the angles are equal with measurement 90 degree okay the second property of square then third property diagonal AC is equal to BD okay the third property of a square and then after the last property for the square the diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at perpendicular. Okay, now write down the property of square. Are you getting this all type of quadrilateral? Huh? There are 6 type of quadrilateral. Please write down fast.
सर लिख लिया रिटर्न।
सच में लिख लिया?
हाँ सर।
तो फिर स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया? ठीक है, रिटर्न ऑल ऑफ यू। ठीक है, ओके चलो, तो अब हम क्या करते हैं, 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लेते हैं और इसके बाद में फिर से ज्वाइन होकर मैं अभी ले लेता हूं आपकी एक्सरसाइज। चलो 5 मिनट में मैं आ रहा हूं, ठीक है?
ओके।
ओके सर।